Welcome to Community Arts at Home. Today we're going to be working on a New Year's firework painting. So let's grab our supplies and get started. First we're going to need 2 sheets of construction paper in black and white. We're also going to need a toilet paper tube. And we'll need some scissors. We are also going to need a pencil and a glue stick, or if you have regular glue, that'll work too. We're going to need some washable paints and some markers, and we'll need a piece of tin foil to put our paint on. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we're going to grab our toilet paper roll and our scissors. Then we're going to cut about halfway up the roll. So start at the bottom of the tube and cut up. We're going to cut like a fringe around the entire roll. All right, all my fringes cut and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to take my hands and just kind of push out all the arms of the toilet paper tube. The next step is to grab my tinfoil sheet and put some paints down on it. Then I'll grab my toilet paper tube and press my tube onto the first color paint. I want to make sure that the paint gets all over the different arms of the tube. Then I'm going to stamp my tube onto my black sheet of paper. I'm going to repeat this step with all the different colors I want to use as my fireworks. All right, that is looking really good. So now add all your other colors too. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to set that sheet of paper aside so the paint can dry, and I'm going to grab my white construction paper and fold it in half lengthwise. And I'm going to open it up, and using my pencil, I'm going to draw 2021 in big numbers on the lower half of my paper. All right, I like how that looks, so I'm gonna take my scissors and cut it out. All right, so the insides of my 0 and my 2 are still there. So a trick is to cut those out. I'm gonna kind of fold the paper in half and then get a little cut and then cut the rest of the circle out. All right, now that my numbers are cut out, I'm gonna grab my markers and use them to decorate the numbers. So I can draw an outline around the numbers, or maybe I'm gonna write Happy New Year. Just anything you want to jazz up those numbers a little bit. Okay, now that I have my numbers decorated, I'm going to take my glue stick and flip over my numbers. I'm going to use the glue stick to put glue all along the backs of my numbers. Okay, now that all the glue is on, I'm going to flip my numbers over and glue it onto my firework painting. All right, I'm really pleased with how mine turned out. I hope you guys like yours too. Have a really awesome new year, and I'll see you next Wednesday for a new project.